We know OnePlus 60 is having a in-display fingerprint scanner, but now the company is planning to remove the headphone jack in its phone and also add some more battery to the model. Speaking about this, the founder of the company said that you have got to make decisions that optimize the user experience and understand that at times things that provide user value can also add friction. We found 59% of our community already owned wireless headphones earlier this year, and that was before we launched our Bullets wireless headphones. Since some of the competitors' models are removing their headphone jack, and therefore this decision makes sense. Removal of the headphone jack will give more space inside, which can be used to give a bigger battery. The company will also be giving a USB-C to 3.5mm jack for the users along with the model.